The ponytail looks like this. I bought it to where it kind of matched my color, my natural color, or my color that I've dyed my hair. It comes in like a little clip here, and then a little Velcro strap with some hair on the end of it so that you can wrap around to conceal the Velcro strap. But that's what it looks like. This is a 20-inch ponytail. So I'm gonna show y'all how to install it. It's really, really simple. Right now my hair is blown out, so it makes it really, really easy for me to actually be able to pull my hair up into a high ponytail. So obviously with this clip-on, you could do it a low ponytail, a side ponytail, high ponytail, you know, whatever you wanted to do. But from what I did for the Lizzo concert, it was a top high sitting ponytail, and I wore it to the side. So I'm gonna show y'all how I did that. So all I'm doing is just bringing the hair all the way above, like right around the ear mark, using a like a little elasticy tie. It doesn't have like a little metal band or anything though. So I kind of pop it to the side there. I have some flyaways here, so I'm just going to spray a little bit of hairspray. A lot of bit of hairspray as needed. Okay, so I have this little sprout going on here, and I kind of want that because I want to push the ponytail up some more. So here I grab this guy, I watch the hook, and then I just fit it into my hair with the little hook first. And then the Velcro kind of just going over my ponytail holder that I just put in there. I grab my hair with the extension and I just wrap it around. I want the Velcro latch to attach to itself on the other side. And now I have this piece here, and that's what this is meant for, to conceal that Velcro strap. And on the end, you can kind of just tuck it in, but I like to secure it with a little hairpin here in the back to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. So this is the ponytail straight ahead, which is really cute. Let me put on my earrings here. So I had got these earrings, and I think I mentioned already that I got them at Target. I like them a lot. So I feel like it really completes the look. So I'm also going to show you guys how I wore it on Saturday. Was to the side. But if you wanted to wear it straight back, you can. And again, I wanted mine high up, but obviously you can wear a low one or a middle set one as well. So see how cute is that? Super fun. Okay, so you can split it in the middle and kind of bring it towards the front. So just give you a little but again, how I wore it was to the side, so you can just kind of pop like that. And this is how I had worn it. I was kind of channeling like Beyonce vibes. But yeah, it's like pretty concealed, the ponytail and the Velcro strap, and it's pretty tight in there. But if you feel like you're nervous that it's gonna fall off, you can just use regular, you can use hairpins, or you can use regular bobby pins and insert them through the hair or through the extensions into your hair, so you can do the hairpin and tuck it in this way to just give you some extra securing, like anchoring it to secure it better. Or this guy too. This is a little bit more industrial strength, so, and I just pop it in there, and that way, like, I can swing and it's not gonna go anywhere. So, what else? Oh yeah, and this is what's fun about this guy too. Like, if you wanted to like twist it a little bit and just wrap it around, like how cute is that? That's cute too. Obviously that's like a quick just throwing it up there, but I could play with it and really just Yeah, no, I like it a whole lot. I had a lot of fun wearing it. On Saturday, it didn't go anywhere. It stayed put. It was really cute. What do you guys think? I'd like to know. Leave me some feedback.